In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add additional shared mailbox in Outlook. A shared mailbox lets a group of people read and reply to mail from a single address, all within their own Outlook. I'll walk you through the process in both Classic Outlook for Windows and the new Outlook desktop app, so you can follow along with whichever version you're using. Before we start, make sure your account has permission to access the shared mailbox. If it hasn't been granted by your admin, the mailbox won't appear even if you follow these steps correctly. Let's begin with Classic Outlook on Windows. Open Outlook, then go to the File menu in the top left. Choose Account Settings, and in the drop-down, pick Account Settings again to open the dialog. In the Email tab, select your primary email account and click Change. Next, click More Settings. In the window that opens, go to the Advanced tab. You'll see a section labeled Mailboxes. Click Add, then type the email address of the shared mailbox exactly as it's set up in your organization. Click OK to confirm. Now click Next, then Finish, and close to exit the Account Settings windows. For the change to take effect, close Outlook completely and reopen it. After Outlook restarts and finishes initializing, the shared mailbox should appear in your folder pane. If it doesn't show immediately, give it a moment to synchronize. Now let's look at the new Outlook desktop experience. In the folder pane, right-click your account name. From the menu, select Add Shared Folder or Mailbox. A search box will appear. Start typing the shared mailbox name or its email address, then select it from the results and click Add. Outlook will connect and the shared mailbox will load automatically in your folder pane. In many setups, you'll see a shared section in your list. The mailbox will appear there once it finishes loading. As with the Classic app, syncing can take a moment, especially if the mailbox contains a lot of mail. A few quick tips to help things go smoothly: type the address carefully to avoid typos, and if your organization uses a directory, rely on the search results to ensure you select the correct mailbox. If the mailbox doesn't appear after you add it, double-check that you have access and, in Classic Outlook, confirm you restarted the app. Once it's visible, you can expand it and access its inbox, sent items, and other folders just like your own account. That's it. You now know how to add an additional shared mailbox in both Classic Outlook for Windows and the new Outlook desktop app. Thanks for watching.